A very good morning to my dear students. Myself Shaptika Pandey, your computer teacher, and welcome to your computer period. Now children, as you all know, we have already covered our theory part of chapter number 4, that is Introduction to MS Word in the next class. We have already done. Now in this class, we will learn about Introduction to MS Word and we will do some practical today. Okay, so what are the topics we will cover? We will see components of Microsoft Word and how to create a new document, how to close a document, how to save a document, adding a new text, opening a document and printing a document. So these are the things we will cover in this chapter. Okay. Now children, let's learn about the components. First, we all know that what is a Microsoft Word. We all know this. Microsoft Word is an application software and it is used for word processing. Understood? It is used for word processing, that means which is used to make professional looking documents quickly. Okay, now it was introduced by Microsoft Corporation. We all know this. Now, what we can do in Microsoft Word? In Microsoft Word, we can produce letters, reports, newsletters, books, bills, etc. in a presentable manner. Now, let's learn about the components of Microsoft Word. Now, first is a title bar. Yes. What is a title bar? A title bar is the component of Microsoft Word which shows the title of the document. Okay. For example, can you see the topmost bar of the MS Word window? Can you see the topmost bar? Let me clear it to you. Can you see this bar? The topmost bar of the Microsoft window. This bar is known as title bar. Understood? So the topmost bar of the window is known as title bar. Now, title bar contains three things. Title bar contains three things in it. First one is the quick access toolbar at the left corner. Second one is the name of the document at the middle of the title bar. And third thing are the three buttons, that is minimize button, maximize button and the close button. Okay, so these are the three things which title bar contains. Okay, now let's see about it. Now, first one is a title name. So this is the name of the document. Okay. So at the middle of the title bar, it shows the name of the document or name of the file followed with the program name. Okay. So name of the file here in this document, the name of my file is document1. So it is showing document1 as the name of the file. Okay. Are you getting it? Now, what is Word? Here it is written Word. So what is Word? That means the software or application we are using is written here. That means we are using MS Word. So it is showing the name of the document, that means document1, and it is showing the name of the program or the application, that is Word. Understood? Now next is quick access toolbar at the left corner. So quick access toolbar. What are quick access toolbar? The things which can quickly done. Okay. Now it is placed at the top left corner of the Word 2010 window and it contains button. It contains three buttons. For save button, second one is undo button and third one is redo button. We all know this, the save button. Where is the save button? This one is the save button. And save button is used to save a file. Save button is used to save a file. By clicking on this button, we can save our file. Look, we are clicking on save button. Now we can save our file by using any name, okay? Now, what is the meaning of undo? We all know this. Undo means, what is the meaning of undo? Undo means to reverse the previous action. Whatever we have written or whatever previous action we have done, we can reverse that action. We can undo that action. Understood? So, by using undo button, by clicking on the undo button, we can erase it. Look, my introduction to MS Word was faded because we have done it. Now, what is the meaning of redo button? What is the meaning of redo button? This one is the redo button. This one. Right arrow is the redo button and left arrow is the undo button. So, what is the meaning of redo button? Redo button is used to repeat the previous action. Understood? Undo button is used to reverse the previous action and redo button is used to repeat the previous action. So, by clicking on the redo button, what we will get? We will get a document in the previous way. Okay? So, understood? Title bar contains three things. That means the name of the file, quick access toolbar, and the third thing is minimize, maximize and close button. So, first one is the minimize button. What is the use of minimize button? Minimize button is used to save our file at the bottom of the taskbar so that we can use our file anytime. Let's see how. By clicking on the minimize button, our document is disappear. Where is it? It is at the bottom of the taskbar. It is saved. Now we can, by clicking, by a single click, we can get our document. Understood? Is that clear to you all? So what we can do? Minimize button is used to disappear the document and it saves the document at the bottom of the screen. That means at the taskbar. At the bottom of the screen we have taskbar. So we can use our document anytime. Understood? Next is maximize button. Maximize button is used to increase the size of the window. Now, for now you can see that our window is smaller in size. If we want to make our window in a large size, we have to click on the maximize button. Now, it is now. How is it looking? It is in the full screen now. Understood? So this is the use of maximize button. Now, what is the use of close button? Close button is used to close the whole document. Okay, so it will close our MS Word. Everything it will close. Okay. Now next is, what is the next component of the Word 2010? Next is cursor. Where is the cursor? Can you see the cursor? Yes, cursor is here. Here you can see the cursor. Okay, so what is the use of cursor? By using cursor, we can type anything. We can type anything by using cursor. What we have to do for typing? We have to place our cursor, the place where we want to write or where we want to type, and so that we can type anything from the cursor or from the keyboard. Okay. Now, next is scroll bars. What are the scroll bars? Scroll bars, first you must know how many scroll bars bars are there? There are two scroll bars. First one is the vertical scroll bar and second one is the horizontal scroll bar. So where is the scroll bar? Look at the right side of the window. First one is at the right side of the window, which is used, this is the vertical scroll bar, which is used to up and down your page. Okay, and second one is the horizontal scroll bar, which is placed at the bottom of the screen. So which is used to left and right your document. Okay, you can move our document to left and right. So there are two scroll bars. First one is the vertical scroll bar and second one is the horizontal scroll bar. Where is the zoom slider bar? It is present at the corner of the window. Yes, where is the zoom slider bar? It is here at the corner of the window. By using this zoom slider bar, what we can do? We can zoom in and zoom out our document by using this bar. Now, let's see how it works. We have to press the left mouse button on the zoom slider bar and drag it with the mouse. Okay, after dragging it, we can change the size of our document. That means we can zoom in and zoom out our document by using zoom slider bar. Now it is present at the extreme right corner of the status bar. It is present at the status bar. This bar is known as status bar, okay, which contain zoom slider bar and the number of pages at the left side and the number of words that we have typed. It is also present at the left side of the status bar. So where is the status bar? This bar is known as status bar. Okay, so this bar is known as status bar and status bar contain zoom slider bar. By using this zoom slider bar, we can zoom in and zoom out our document. Yes. Okay, now next is where is the file tab? Where is the file tab? These all are tabs. Can you see at the top of the page? File tab, Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab, Layout, References, Mailing, Review, View, many. There are many tabs. Now where is the File tab? At the corner we have File tab. The File tab is placed on the upper left corner of the Word 2010 window under the Quick Access toolbar. Now what we can do in File tab, after clicking on File tab, it will show many options, like we can create a new file, we can open an existing file, we can save our file, we can print a file, and we can close, export and share our file to anyone. Now we can create a new file from here, from a blank document. Okay, so File tab is very important. By using this File tab, we can create a new document, open it and save a new document or take a printout. We can have a hard copy. Okay. Now next is where are the ribbon. Now what is a ribbon and where is it located? Now this is known as the ribbon. This place is known as ribbon. Ribbon contains many things. Ribbon contains many things like Home tab. Under Home tab there are many things in it like font style, font size, bold, underline, italic. Everything is present at the Home tab or this tab. Now Insert tab, there are many things in the Insert tab also. We have equations, we have shapes, pictures, many things. It is present at the insert tab ribbon. So all these things are ribbon. Design tab, in the design tab we have many templates. Okay, now at the layout tab we have many options in the layout tab also. So this part is known as ribbon. Ribbon contains several tabs on it, such as file tab, home tab, insert tab, page layout, etc. Now each tab has commands that are arranged into groups. So all these are commands. For example, this is the font command. So this is the font block where you can see the operation that we can do in font or our letters. Okay. Now we have bold, we have italic, we have underlined. We can change the size of the document, change the size of the text, or we can change the style of this text. Okay, and many things we can do. Now where is the work area? Can you see the work area? Yes, this middle part of the window is known as work area, where we can type anything, where we can insert the pictures, we can color it, we can make anything. So this middle part of the window is known as working area. Okay, now children, one last thing in this chapter that we are going to cover is how to create a new document. Okay, so how we can create a new document in MS Word? We have to go to the File tab option. Where is the File tab option? File tab option is present at the corner, upper corner. Okay, so we have to click on the File tab. After clicking on the File tab, we get many options. Like new, we have open option, we have save option. Now, what we are doing? We are creating a new file. So, where we have to click? We have to click on the new tab. So, after clicking on the new tab, we will get many templates for resume, for letter, for many things. But what we have to select is, we have to select the blank document. Why? Because we are using it to type anything. We can make our own document by using the blank one. Okay. So what we will select? We will select the blank document. After clicking on the blank document, look, here we can see our new document. It is the new file. Okay. And where we can enter our text, we can add the pictures, we can make a document, we can do anything in this document. Now, children, there is one tip for you, that if you want to create this new document without using the mouse, so you can do it. Okay, so how you can do it? Which keys you have to use? You have to use some shortcut key. One shortcut key you have to use, so that you can create your new document without using a mouse. Yes. So, which shortcut key you have to use? Control plus N. Yes, Control plus N is used to create a new file. Okay, so Control plus N is used to create a new file. So how you have to press Control plus N, which means you have to press Control button. In your keyboard there is one button named Control button. So okay, so you have Control button in your keyboard. So first you have to click on the Control button, and at the same time you have to click on the N button. Okay, so after clicking on these two buttons at the same time, you can create a new file in the document without using a mouse. Okay, by using keyboard only you can create a new file. So this combination of the keys are known as shortcut keys. Okay, so the combination of two or more keys are known as shortcut key. Okay, so by using these two keys, you can create a new document without using a mouse. Okay, so children, this is all for today. I hope you have understood the chapter. In the next class, we will continue the same chapter and we will learn how to enter the text, how to add a new text, how to save a document and print a document. We will see many things in the next class. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay in your home. And thank you for watching the video.